Hello students. Students, into my yesterday's video, I have explained you that how to write the advertisement for the missing category. Now we are going to talk about the next category, and the next category is sale and purchase. Beta, this is one of the important category because it would include many questions, as though sale and purchase is one category, but then it can be subdivided into three portions. How? This I'll explain. Whenever we think of purchasing something or selling something, when I say something, that includes all the kind of goods, all the kind of services. So our thought process cannot be same for purchasing a house and while purchasing a scooter. Our thought process cannot be same while purchasing a refrigerator for the house and while searching a house for purchase or offering our house for sale. That means sale and purchase is a vast topic, as it includes n number of goods and services under it. So what we did is, to make it easier, to make it comfortable for the students to understand and for the people to practically work into this category, we divided into three categories, that is household goods, then we talked about vehicles, and then property. Now is it easier? That means all the goods and services which are included into household, they comes under this. All the kinds of vehicles, whether two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheeler, everything comes under this. And then when we talk about property, whether it is a house, a flat, an office, a land, everything comes under this category, that is called property. Now, question is that how to write the advertisement for these things. There are certain points which are common, and then there are certain points which are different. How we are going to understand? The format is same, children, as I have already discussed and described you. Format is same. It has to be kept inside the box. Now, while writing the heading, how will you write the heading? Suppose we are talking about, first let us talk about household goods. When you talk about household goods, so you will write sale of household goods, या फिर household goods required, and then accordingly you will going to put up your points. Now what points should be included into it? First thing, that it will begin with either the word available or required. If you are offering for sale, then you will write available. If you want to purchase, then you will write required. Required can be replaced with the word wanted also. Then the next point would be that will include the description of the article, whatever article you are ready to sell or purchase. For example, you are offering a refrigerator. Then what will you write? How will you describe? That would include the description of the article. That includes color, size, brand. Fine. One more thing. Children, while writing for the goods category, you will not find only one product into the question. There may be that you are always asked for that offer 2-3 things together for the sale or for the purchase. For example, you are shifting to a new city and you are selling your household goods. So you may be giving the advertisement together for 2-3 products. It may be a refrigerator, LED, and then a washing machine. Then while giving the description, you have to make sure that you will write as available a refrigerator in so and so color, so and so size, and so brand. A LED with so and so color, size, and brand. And then you will give about washing machine, size, color, and brand. After that, you will talk about the condition. How is the working condition of all the clothes? Whether they are all into good condition, they are into excellent condition, right? Whatever it is, you will going to include and describe that also. Then we'll talk about their years of use. It's been how many years you have used that product? Used for 2 years, or you can you can also say that purchased before 2 years or used for 2 years. And then towards the end, you will talk about the expected price. And then we give towards the end as contact number and address. Fine. These 2 points, point number 1 and last 2 points, would remain same while talking about all the 3 categories. Only the inner content, inner point will going to change. That includes the description of the article, because the article would be different, so will be the description. Moreover, you have to focus on that while writing expected price, it is not at all necessary that you have to describe the price itself. You have to quote that expected price 20,000, expected price 24,000 as per the product. It is not necessary. I am telling you an easier way, that you may always add a word which will going to go very easy with it. That can be prices negotiable. Because anytime whenever we are offering something for sale or we are purchasing something, we always do negotiation, isn't it? We do negotiation for tomatoes and potatoes also. So when we are purchasing goods, right, we can go for that negotiation. So you can always use, why? Because it is easier for you, perfect for you, in helping to you. So you go for the word expected prices negotiable. Yeah. With this, I hope household goods are clear. Now, let us talk about vehicles. Children, while talking about vehicles, the first thing would remain same, as I told you, that available or required, it will going to pick it with. And then we come about the specific detail of the vehicle. That includes model number, that will include color, right? That would include brand, fine. And after that, there are certain points which are related to the vehicle. You may talk about them also. You can get the detail of them also. They are like accessories used into it, and then specific condition. Again, the condition would remain same. Mileage, what mileage your vehicle is giving, and one more thing you can add on, that is you can talk about the documents. Whether you have all the documents with you, they are proper or not. You can specially talk about the product, like the vehicle is used single-handed, right? That also makes an effect to the buyer. You can talk about such things also. So you will going to jot down these points together, and all these points will make your advertisement clear. Children, after telling and discussing these details with you, I am going to read 3 particular advertisements for you so that the language is also quite clear to you. Fine. And towards the end, same. Expected price contact. Now, let us talk about property. But again, this is a vast topic because under property, sometimes we are talking about a flat, sometimes we are talking about independent house, sometimes we are talking about office, but then there are certain points which you have to be specific about, and they will make things clear to you. How? I will explain you. Here also you will going to begin with the same, available or required. Then specifically you talk about, if it is an independent house, then you will talk about the number of rooms. You will talk about the open area. You will talk about the other facilities. Then if it is a flat, then you will talk about floor and you will talk about BHK. That's the difference, beta. There you are talking about the rooms attached with washrooms in the fine. And here you will be talking about BHK, that would include all these points. Then you will come with that the location and surrounding. You can talk about that it is located near a school, near a metro station. Fine. So that would include the surroundings and location of the particular house or particular flat. Then you can also talk about the facilities. Facilities like whether car parking is there or not, whether whether the colony has a park or not. These things also can be taught, and some specific things like 24 hours, electricity, water, and of course security are available. And with all these things, all these details, towards the end you would come up with the expected price and contact number. That means with these details you will be specifically able to specify different category under the head of sale and purchase. I think, children, that I have made it clear to you that how will you going to differentiate. One thing only has to be noted very well, that as per the requirement of the question, the specific detail related to the product has to be changed. Rest, the beginning and the ending point would remain the same. Thank you, children, for watching this, and I hope this will help you to understand the particular categories. Thank you.